Hi everyone, Samba is a service that allows Linux and Windows to share files easily over a local network. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Samba Server on Ubuntu or Debian. First, we'll update the system to make sure all packages are up to date. Once the system is updated, we'll install Samba Server. After the installation, you can check the Samba version using At the time of this video, the installed Samba version is 4.19. Next, we'll enable Samba so it starts automatically with the system. That way, every time you boot up your server, the service will start automatically without manual action. You'll also need to enable the NMBD service. It handles NetBIOS name management and allows Samba to be discovered on your local network. After enabling the services, let's check the status of SMBD and NMBD to make sure Samba is running properly. If you see a green line with active running, that means the service is working correctly. Alright, so both SMBD and NMBD services are running properly. Next, let's check your firewall status. If the firewall is inactive, you can skip this step. But if it's active, like mine, we need to allow Samba through the firewall so other devices on the LAN can connect and share files. So we've completed the installation and basic setup of Samba on Ubuntu or Debian. At this point, Samba is ready to share files within your local network. In the next video, I'll show you how to create shared folders, set access permissions, and connect from a Windows machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to follow the next parts.